Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Microsoft Teams for enhanced communication, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Take note of the sidebar on the left, where you'll find key features. Begin by adjusting notification settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Notifications tab. Choose notification preferences that suit your working style. Next, organize your teams and channels. Click on the Teams icon in the sidebar. Make use of the Join or Create a Team option if needed. Consider creating dedicated channels for specific projects. Use descriptive names for easy identification. Set channel privacy to manage who can access them. Now, look at chat settings for enhanced communication. Click on the chat icon in the sidebar. Initiate a new chat by selecting a contact or entering their name. Utilize mentions by typing it followed by their name to grab attention. Use emojis, GIFs, and stickers to add a personal touch. Next, explore the meeting features for collaborative work. Select the Calendar tab to schedule meetings. Click on New Meeting and fill in the details. Use the Scheduling Assistant feature to find a suitable time for all participants. During meetings, utilize screen sharing for better clarity. Now focus on file sharing and collaboration. Click on the Files tab in the sidebar. Upload documents for easy access by team members. Use integration with OneDrive for seamless collaboration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.